You everyone, I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome. And if you're new here, it's a pleasure to have each and every individual who've clicked this video who's from Croatia. Guys, I'm honored to have you here. I'm honored based off the love that you guys are showing. I'm very honorable. I'm very honorable. Guys, and to be honest with you all, I've been loving Mr. MPT. He's a very excellent artist. His performances are great, his songs are great, his spirituality is great, and you know, for a man to represent God, I'm all in, bro. I'll support that man 110%, guys. Trust me. So I received a link in my comment section, and the link led me to check out this video, this performance, and it is called Oluja and Bojna, Čavoglave, HIPODROM, SINJ04.08.2025. Yeah, that's the time this performance was done. Alright, so I'll be now checking out that performance. Question: to anyone who's watching this video is aware of the Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Probably some of you would have attended to his concert back in the day, or if any person who is watching this video is already an elder, my respect. If you guys have been to his concert before, let me know in the comments, because I never yet been to his concert. I was born pretty late, right? I've only heard about him. I've only seen his videos on social media circulating. His songs are, but I never yet experience that man. So let me know if you are a big fan of him, you still listening to his music and love his music just the same. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see the performance that will be done by Mr. MPT.
Lata planino, čvrsta stino srce olujno, što zapali plamen pobjede 95. godine. Neka nosi ova pobjeda sva imena naših djedova, i sestove mi smo stranjali, iste zore mi smo budili. Pjevaj sokole, pjesmu pobjede, preko Knina Dinare, preko zemlje slobodne. Neka te ljudi vide i nek se pjesma digne visoko gore do neba. Nek je Oluja nosi, poleti i prkosi.
It's right here. The fireworks are crazy as well. Fireworks are crazy. That is awesome, bro. Hey, it is so phenomenal to see this, right? With the two individuals holding the flag together, like it's showing it's peacetime. The flag represents country, and those colors on the flags, represent the country a lot. And to see someone holding the flag together, because while I was going to high school, when it's devotion time and national anthem should be sung, or the national pledge, but mostly the national anthem. Whenever time two scout regiments or two school attendees raise the flag high, it shows a sign of respect. And to see two people holding the flag like that, with the flag waving high, it shows a sign of freedom, love, prosperity, long lasting blessing. Big up to all my Croatians out there, bro. You guys are the best, trust me. No, that is dope. With the flag up there, with the neon lights, that is fantastic. Fantastic. The whole spreading its wings across to the entire sky. Alright, what does the whole signifies in your country? Because every animal, everything that has to do with the culture, have some form of significance representing the country. So, what does the whole signifies in your country? Let me know, because I would love to learn a lot more about Croatia. It's my pleasure to be learning this now, because this is very good. This is too super, bro. I ain't gonna lie, too super. And the crowd is massive, massive crowd. Yo, this is so good, bro. The crowd is just feeling his vibe, man. MP Thompson. This is terrific. Yo, this is terrific, bro. That was insanely good, bro. You know, with this as a informative video, I've learned a lot. I've seen a lot, you know, and with this, Mr. Thompson, you've did well. You have done an awesome job with this, and I do like the display. Everything is just amazing, and I respect the culture. I respect the heritage. You know, I respect everything that you guys have done because in Jamaica we never ate salad before, right? It is just totally different. I guess every country have their familiarities, you know, with whichever, you know, culture they have in store, right? So guys, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, you know, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction, bro.